Hello everybody, Merry Christmas! Today I will be showing you how to make this simple beaded stocking for Christmas time. And these can make good Christmas gifts if you make them into earrings or necklaces or even a Christmas ornament. So let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to need is, first of all, wire, and you will need one 15-inch piece or 38 centimeters. You also need 39 red beads. I'm going to use red, or you can use a different color obviously. And then 18 white beads. I'm going to use this kind of like off-white, really light tan brown color, just because this one is already white. So yeah, but again, you can use any colors you want, or any colors you have, I guess. You will also need something to hold your beads in. I have these triangle bead containers. You can also use a watercolor tray, and that works well too. And you will also need scissors to cut your wire and a ruler to measure your wire. I already have my wire measured though. So, oh yeah, and I don't know if I said this, you'll need 28 gauge wire, and I got this on firemountaingems.com. And my beads I got at a local bead store, but you can probably just buy them at a craft store or online. So let's get started. So first of all, take your 15-inch or 38 centimeter piece of wire and fold it in half. So meet the ends and go all the way down. So it is folded in half like that. Now you're going to take 5 red beads, or whatever color you're using, and slip them onto one side of your wire. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And bring them down so they're in that little dip. And then you're going to kind of hold it in place with your fingers and take one of your empty wires and loop them around and through all 5 of those beads. And now kind of keep it in the middle and pull tight. And you want to make sure that your wires are fairly even. Make sure it's just in a straight line. Like that. And now for your next row, you're going to take 7 red beads and put them on your wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And bring them all the way down. And whatever wire is empty or does not have your beads on it, you're going to loop around and through all 7 of those beads. Like that. And pull tight. Alright, now for your next row, you are going to take 7 beads again. 7 red beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Bring them all the way down. And then bend them around and loop whatever wire does not have beads on it, and stick it through all of those beads and pull tight. It should look like this. Now for your next row, you're going to take 5 beads, 5 red beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring them all the way down. Take whatever wire does not have beads on it and bring it around and stick it through your beads. And make sure instead of your beads being in the middle, just scoot them over, because this is the foot shape, and then we're going to go up, if you can kind of see from this. All right, now we're going to take another 5 beads and stick them on your wire. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring them down. Make sure they're lined up with the other 5, the other row of 5 that we did. Bring the wire around and stick it through those 5 beads. And pull tight. Now we're going to do another row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring them all the way down, fold them over, bend the wire around, and stick them through the beads, or stick it through the beads. Now you're going to take the rest of your beads, you should have 5 beads left, and put them on your wire. Bring them down and do the exact same thing that you were doing. Pull tight. Now we have the basic foot shape of your stocking. Okay, now we can move this away, and now we're going to put 6 white beads on our wire. We're going to start doing the little ruffle fluff thing on top. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Bring them down and do the exact same thing that we were doing with the red part. And now you're going to keep doing rows of 6. Actually, we're going to do this 2 more times, and then you'll run out of beads anyway. So we're going to keep putting rows of 6 on our wire until we run out of beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Another row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that's it with all of your beads. We can put that away. And that's the base of your stocking. And now we're gonna close it off and make that little loop that you can hang it from. So what you're gonna do is bend, or whatever way the foot is facing, you're gonna take the wire that is on that side and bend it around, and then stick it through the last bead on that row. So you're gonna stick it through, kind of wiggle it around until you get something through. There you go. You can kind of push it open with your thumb and then stick it through and pull tight. And now we are going to twist our wires together. And once you've twisted them basically up until the short wire, you will fold it to make a little loop like that, and kind of loop it like whoop, and then it points down, and then you're going to twist that about 3 times maybe. And then you're going to trim your excess with your scissors. And there is your stocking. This was a really quick, easy tutorial. And yeah, I hope you liked it and hope it actually was easy to follow. So yeah, these are really cute little stocking things for gifts, Christmas gifts. You can make it for yourself or whatever. You can make them into earrings, necklaces, Christmas ornaments. Last time I made this snowflake, so make sure to check this tutorial out unless you've already checked it out. I will put like a little link that you can click on at the end of the video. And next time I'm going to teach you how to make the little snowman. So yeah, I hope you all like this video. Again, make sure to subscribe for more videos and for a Christmas present to me, because that'll be awesome. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great Christmas, and make sure to join me in the next video. Bye!